Y'all, I got some makeup and I want to show you guys. Hey ladies, how you doing? So I went, pandemic and all, y'all, it's just a lot going on. A lot going on. My birthday was recently. I didn't put up a couple of videos for like I think 2 weeks because I was celebrating my birthday, enjoying the moment, preparing for it because I knew I was going away. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I was so nervous, I was so scared, and I just couldn't focus. I couldn't focus, but I knew I needed that little quick getaway to kind of recharge and just get myself back in. So in addition to doing that, I did go pick up some makeup. And as I mentioned before, I want to start picking up some makeup that was from Black-owned companies. I picked up from 2 companies because, as I mentioned before, in my collection, I was really upset at myself that I only had 2 products. And I really need more. So, no, I have 3 products, but I need more. So I picked up a few things I want to show you guys. I just did a foundation review. You've probably seen that one already. And if you have not, go check it out. First up is I picked up, finally, late to the party, but I'm here. I picked up the Milani Scream Queen Foundation. I have it on now. I love it. It looks good. Check out the review so you can see me put it on, how it oxidized, how it looks on my skin, and how I look from when I started to how I look once I have it on. Amazing. And I did also pick up the Milani Skin and Perfect concealer. I have everything linked down below. I really enjoyed it. The reason why I picked this one up, I really enjoyed the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, which I really enjoyed. I wanted to repurchase it, but I wanted to pick this one up first and kind of compare. But I like them both. I like them both. I don't want to sit and say which one I like better as of yet because I need to, you know, really dive deep into that foundation. In addition to picking up my Milani foundation and concealer, I want to pick up a different concealer, something old school, something that you ladies had you know, refresh my memory about, which was the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Guys, I picked up this shade, where did I get? Fawn. I think this one's a little bit darker, but this will be really good for that, you know, quote unquote natural looking highlight under the brow. And I remember it being really well under the eye as well to kind of brighten up. So you know what, let me just get something old school, kind of take it back a little bit and get me this concealer right here. So what else I have on this receipt? That is it. I got these 3 things here. So in addition to that, when I was at Ulta, I made 2 different trips. So my first trip, this is my second trip. So my first trip, I really wanted to pick up some items from Black-owned. Moving on, because I don't know what is what at this point. But I went to Ulta. This was my first trip going into Ulta. You know, during the pandemic when everything was opening back up, I just needed to kind of just go out and just get me some things. It was definitely a different experience going out because you couldn't touch the testers. You couldn't kind of like, you know, see what lip pencil might work for you or lipstick, foundation, whatever the case may be. You couldn't touch anything, which I understand. And, you know, at this point in time, I wouldn't want to do it anyway. So this trip here, I picked up a bunch of lip liners. You guys know I was like in dire need for some lip liners because I just really, I didn't have any. But I do remember picking up a brow pencil that I can't seem to locate. But these are the pencils that I picked up. I picked up 2 Expressos, 1 Club Hopper, and 1 Downtown Brown. Club Hopper is more like a burgundy reddish tone. Expresso, you guys know that's more of a darker brown. And Downtown Beauty is more of a lighter brown. What I have on now is Expresso. So it's just a little bit more darker brown. I do prefer that when I'm wearing pretty much all my lipsticks. All my lipsticks. I love it, I love it, I love it. So I picked up these. Can't go wrong with those. In addition, like I said, I had a brow pencil. It was a NYX. No, it was a Ulta pencil, and I can't seem to find it. I hope I come across it soon. I think when you buy too much stuff, you know what it was? When I went away from my birthday, I just put everything in the bag so I can like use it, because I was so nervous. I was all over the place, but it'll come up. I didn't even use it. It's still in the wrapper. I'll have it in a video upcoming. This is a mini little short makeup haul, nothing too crazy, but I picked up the Jueva's Place. This is a eyeshadow palette, if I'm not mistaken. You guys know look at here. I could be on a couple with these girls. Got our short haircuts. But this is the Warriors palette. I really wanted another one. I think it's called Chocolate, if I'm not mistaken. I might have to order that one because it wasn't in Ulta, and I went to another Ulta when I was away. I have not swatched any of these. Look at this, y'all. Pretty. It ain't nothing I ain't got already. It ain't nothing I ain't got already. But you have to support. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a few. Let's see. We always like a nice brown. I wish it was maybe, you know, some more browns. Here's a gold. Here's this color. And let's do the dark color. So let's see. Nice. I didn't put enough of the other shade, but I like it. It's nice. You can never go wrong with palettes. I don't complain about palettes. I'm very strategic when I buy my makeup. I watch reviews and stuff because I don't want to just buy anything to buy it. I don't mind buying it and trying it, but if someone's complaining and there's a lot of complaints about it, I'm not even going to bother with it. So this one here, I knew I wasn't going to have an issue. Even if it was complaints, I knew I wasn't going to have an issue because it's all about your taste and what you like. I'm not running around here with, you know, blue eyes and pink eyes and yellow eyes. So I want more of a natural, neutral look. And most of you ladies are the same. You know, you like to have a more subtle, but yet maybe a little glam, maybe a little, you know, a little oomph to it when you want to. So you can never go wrong with makeup like this. Let me take the sleeve off. That's what's giving it. So isn't it pretty? Nice, nice, nice. So I picked that one. I'll have everything linked down below that I picked up. I thought to get like a little, you know, makeup during the pandemic. I went out. It felt good. Then I picked up a lipstick from the Beauty Bakery. I don't know, when I went into Ulta, this was sold out like crazy. Jueva's Place was as well. And I'm sure it was because of, you know, what was going on with George Floyd, what was going on with everything. Everybody was supporting more black businesses. I get it. I'm one of them. I'm doing the same thing. However, this line right here, I barely got this. I barely got this. So the shade that I picked up is called Bastini Ice. It's a matte soft lipstick. Now, this was about, the palette was 20 bucks, but I got $1.24 off. This lipstick was $10, and since it's on the considered more high-end side, you don't get anything off on that. So I paid full 10 bucks for this. But this is small. This is a tester size to me. You see this? You see my hand? You see all of this? This is my only complaint with this. The packaging is cute, very girly. If my daughter was into stuff like this, she would really enjoy this because it's nice, cute, small, petite. It's paper, but it's teeny. It's teeny and it's 10 bucks. So it's like getting a tester. So it's like if you go to Sephora and you want to spend $24 on the small thing because you don't want to buy the big thing for $75, that's what this is. But I really couldn't venture out into it because, again, there wasn't much, and I really want to see this stuff. And that's with all makeup lines. I really don't do a lot of online shopping when it comes to makeup, not unless I've had it before and I'm doing a repurchase. Then I'm all game because I already know what it is. But that was my only thing about this one here, how small it was. Because when I actually saw the box, I said, oh, okay, maybe the lipstick might be, you know, like this, you know. Or even if it was that short, it was going to be wider or something. I was going to get more product. But it's okay. I like this shade. It's a matte shade. I didn't even show you how the shade look. See? Rambling. Let me show you how the shade looks. Okay, there it goes right there. Right up my speed. That's what I like. You know, I love my nudes. I love my nudes. But yeah, last but not least, I did pick up some Maybelline lipsticks. These guys here. And you guys know, I don't even have them in front of me. I love these. I have 2 of these already in a lighter shade. But these are the Maybelline chocolate. Thank you, Tiffany. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are such my friend now. You don't even know. She sent me a DM and she said, Kelly, have you tried these yet? And I was like, no. I said, where you get them from? And she told me where she got them from. I was on it the next day. I found mine in Target. No, I found mine in Walmart. And I was able to pick these up. I'm not going to swatch them. I'm going to do a makeup look with these because I want to kind of dedicate a video towards these. But I want to show you that I do have them. So yeah, quick makeup haul. I'm gonna just makeup during the pandemic, just getting a little, you know, getting my feet wet out there, protecting myself protecting myself, of course, and I hope you are doing the same. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you for now. My camera's getting ready to die, that's why I'm rushing. So I want to say hey to all my new subscribers, hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.